Welcome to Map by Sagar. Today we're heading to the United Arab Emirates, a land where futuristic skylines rise from the desert and traditions blend with luxury. From the world's tallest building in Dubai to the serene beaches of Fujairah, this country is packed with incredible destinations. Whether you love adventure, culture, or relaxation, here are the 10 best places to visit in the UAE. 1. Burj Khalifa, world's tallest tower. Dubai's crown jewel, the Burj Khalifa soars 828 meters high, making it the tallest building on Earth. Visitors can ride high-speed elevators to observation decks on the 124th or 148th floor for sweeping views of the city and desert. The best time is sunset, when the skyline glows golden and the city lights begin to sparkle. For something special, book dinner at Atmosphere on the 122nd floor and dine in the clouds. 2. Dubai Mall and Fountain Show. Next to the Burj Khalifa sits the Dubai Mall, one of the largest malls in the world, with 1,200 shops, an Olympic-sized ice rink, an aquarium, and a VR park. It's a city within a city. Step outside at night to enjoy the Dubai Fountain Show, a spectacular mix of music, lights, and water jets that reach 50 stories high. Each performance is magical, and best of all, it's free. 3. Palm Jumeirah Man-Made Island. Shaped like a palm tree, Palm Jumeirah is one of Dubai's greatest engineering marvels, visible from space. The island hosts luxury resorts, with Atlantis the Palm being the most famous. Visitors can try Aquaventure Water Park, swim with dolphins, or dine in underwater restaurants. Whether staying overnight or exploring for the day, Palm Jumeirah combines relaxation, luxury, and entertainment. 4. Dubai Marina, Nightlife, and Skyscrapers. Dubai Marina is a glamorous waterfront lined with skyscrapers, yachts, and cafes. The Marina Walk is ideal for a sunset stroll, while a dhow cruise offers skyline views from the water. At night, the district comes alive with rooftop lounges, international dining, and sparkling lights, making it one of Dubai's most vibrant areas. 5. Desert Safari. Just outside the city lies the Golden Desert. A safari here includes dune bashing, sandboarding, and camel rides. Most tours end in Bedouin-style camps with Emirati food, henna art, belly dancing, and fire shows. As the night sky fills with stars, it becomes an unforgettable experience. 6. Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. The capital, Abu Dhabi, is home to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, one of the most beautiful landmarks in the world. Built of white marble with golden columns and crystal chandeliers, it is both majestic and serene. The mosque can hold over 40,000 worshippers, yet feels peaceful. Visiting at sunset, when the domes glow softly, is truly breathtaking. 7. Louvre, Abu Dhabi. Nearby is the Louvre, Abu Dhabi, an architectural wonder by Jean Nouvel. Its massive dome creates a stunning rain of light effect. Inside, art and artifacts span centuries, from Egyptian statues to Renaissance masterpieces. The museum beautifully blends cultures, making it a highlight for art lovers. 8. Sharjah, Cultural Heart. Sharjah, the cultural capital of the UAE, offers a deeper look into traditions. Visit the Sharjah Museum of Islamic Civilization, with artifacts spanning 1,000 years. Wander restored heritage houses and souks selling spices, textiles, and crafts. Sharjah provides a quieter, authentic glimpse into Emirati history. 9. Ras Al Khaimah, Adventure and Mountains. Ras Al Khaimah is paradise for adventurers. Its highlight is Jebel Jais, the UAE's highest mountain, home to the world's longest zipline, reaching speeds up to 150 kilometers per hour. The rugged landscapes are also perfect for hiking, camping, and enjoying panoramic views of the Arabian Gulf. 10. Fujairah, Beaches and Forts. Finally, Fujairah on the east coast offers sandy beaches and colorful coral reefs along the Gulf of Oman, ideal for diving and snorkeling. History lovers can explore Fujairah Fort, one of the oldest in the country. With its mix of nature and heritage, Fujairah is the perfect place to unwind. And that wraps up our journey through the UAE. from Dubai's futuristic towers and the man-made islands to Abu Dhabi's cultural treasures and Fujairah's peaceful beaches. This country truly has it all: luxury, adventure, and history. Which destination excites you most? The towering Burj Khalifa or the golden desert under the stars? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Map by Sagar for more travel guides. Until next time, happy travel.